I know you have big dream of being top dog, but you're not dog. You're just fox.
Did you have to say just a fox? Couldn't you just say a fox? I mean, the just thing is really kind of... Look, what if I just had a small delivery route? Just a little one?
Yet, I run serious business here. Quiet.
I didn't say anything.
I'm okay.
So, how did it go?
It was promising. Very, very promising. Swifty's the name. And you're looking at the next lead dog for the Arctic Blast delivery service.
No promotion for you this year. I run serious business.
You are a small Arctic fox who was not meant to pull a giant sled with packages on it.
The only thing I'll be remembered for now is not being memorable, like that other guy.
One guy.
Exactly. So, who's gonna be a good boy? Who's gonna be top down?
Hey, Swifty. Please deliver this package for me.
Are you sure about this?
What's the worst that could happen?
Are you crazy?
Crazy like a fox. On November 1st. Jeremy Renner. Heidi Klum. James Franco. John Cleese. Omar Sy. Michael Madsen. Lori Holden. With Angelica Houston and Alec Baldwin. Who's with me?
What could possibly go wrong?
Incoming!
Oh, I'm blind. I'm blind. Oh, I'm not blind. I'm just Arctic dogs.